up, balloons go high, floating gently in the sky. Monkey grabs one oh so tight. Oops, he's flying out of sight. Doggy holds a big red balloon. Now he's floating like the moon, flipping, spinning round and round. Help me get back to the ground. Kitty's whiskers start to shake. Uh-oh, this was a big mistake. Up she goes, her tail so swirly. Paws down, please, this is too twirly. Bunny bounces, holding tight. Ooh, I'm flying, what a sight. But the wind blows strong and fast. Will I land back home at last? Pop, 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 balloons go boom. Animals tumble, zoom, zoom, zoom. Back on ground with happy grins. Let's go try those rides again.